Unpacking the Mystery, Understanding Packing Cubes. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a handy travel accessory known as packing cubes. These simple items can make your travel experience much more organized and stress-free. Let's explore what they are, how they're used, and why they're so popular among travelers. Packing cubes are small, lightweight containers made of fabric, often with a mesh top. They come in various sizes and are used to organize and compress clothes and other items in luggage. Their primary purpose is to maximize space and keep your belongings neatly separated and easy to find. One of the main advantages of using packing cubes is organization. They allow you to categorize your items, like separating your clean clothes from dirty ones, or keeping electronic gadgets in one place. They also reduce the movement of items inside your luggage, preventing wrinkles and damage. Plus, they can be quickly transferred from a suitcase to a drawer, making unpacking a breeze. To get the most out of packing cubes, start by selecting the right sizes for your needs. Group similar items together. Clothes in one cube, underwear in another, and so on. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space and minimize wrinkles. Use the cubes to create a neat and easily accessible layout in your suitcase. When choosing packing cubes, consider the material. Lightweight and durable is key. Look for cubes with strong zippers and perhaps a see-through mesh for easy identification of contents. Also, consider getting cubes of different colors to easily distinguish between them. We hope this video has shed some light on the usefulness of packing cubes. They're not just for the obsessive organizers among us. They're a practical tool for any traveler looking to make their journey smoother. So, next time you pack, consider giving packing cubes a try. You might be surprised at how much they can help. Safe travels and happy packing!